Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to link Capcut to TikTok on iPhone. So if I didn't know this, if you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to connect Capcut to TikTok, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Capcut application on your phone. Locate and click on the settings at the top right. Then after that, click on Edit Profile. Then on Edit Profile page, locate links, and under links, click on TikTok. Once you click on TikTok, then hang on, you want to make sure you are logged in on TikTok on your said device. So it doesn't count whether you're using Android or you're using iPhone. Just make sure your TikTok account is logged in on the device. Once it is logged in on the device, then if you click on TikTok here, then this is going to link your Capcut to your TikTok account. And if you click on the name, you'll be able to unlink your TikTok and then your Capcut again. So that's exactly how to connect TikTok or link TikTok and Capcut together. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.